Over the years, India's naval ensign has undergone several changes and transformed on many occasions, shedding the last remnants of the colonial past. On 2nd September 2022, the Indian Navy adopts its new naval ensign. With the national flag on the upper canton and a blue octagonal shape encompassing the national emblem sitting atop an anchor depicting steadfastness and superimposed on a shield with the Navy's motto, Sham No Varuna in Devanagari. The octagonal shape represents the 8 directions, symbolizing the Indian Navy's multi-directional reach and multi-dimensional operational capability. The octagonal shape with twin golden borders draws inspiration from the seal of the great Indian Emperor, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, whose visionary maritime outlook established a credible naval fleet consisting of 60 fighting ships and approximately 5,000 men. The rising Maratha naval power during Shivaji Maharaj's period was the first to secure the coastline against external aggression.
हमें गुलामी की छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी कहीं नजर आती है, हमारे भीतर नजर आती है, हमारे आसपास नजर आती है, हमें उससे मुक्ति पानी ही होगी.
As India marks the 75th year of its independence, the new naval ensign is a step towards liberating the mind and further empowering the indomitable spirit of the sentinels of our seas, the Indian Navy.